Few sounds resonate more with a Porsche enthusiast than the adrenaline-inducing rumble of a high-performance engine or the G-force-generated release of maximum torque. Yet, there is one decibel-driven disturbance that has been misunderstood for far too long: brake squeal. Brake squeal occurs when the energy of motion is converted into heat and minute vibrations, which then dissipate throughout the brake system. This noise is often mistaken for a malfunction. However, that is rarely the case. Brake squeal is the result of a condition called stick slip, causing microscopic vibrations that create noise to be broadcast by the brake rotor, which acts as a speaker. Necessity dictates that the Porsche brake system be designed with large rotors and pads. Due to the larger pad surfaces, pad pressure distribution can vary when the brakes are applied at low speeds, increasing the propensity for brake squeal. Make no mistake, the Porsche brake system is the epitome of first-in-class automotive excellence. Still, when subjected to a force, all materials vibrate at their natural frequencies, even new components. When these components are assembled, the frequencies become compounded and more complex, resulting in what we commonly call coupled frequencies. The operating conditions of the brake system also have a large effect on coupled frequencies. During development, friction materials are thoroughly tested in order to meet Porsche's unequivocal standards.
We try to avoid brake squeal at any time. This is quite clear. This is our engineering goal.
Measures, such as maintaining consistently high friction levels throughout the operating temperature range, are critical to ensuring best-in-class results. In addition, countermeasures are put in place to make Porsche brakes as quiet as possible.
So we put these masses on and we can get rid of a certain frequency that we have, a squeal frequency.
However, due to wear, temperature, humidity, and corrosion influences, some noise events may occur, especially when considering the vast amount of unpredictable influencers involved and the near impossible task of accounting for all of them. And that's with a brake system where performance and safety are at a pinnacle. The moral of the story? Some squealing is inevitable. Porsche has built a legacy on never compromising performance. So it's no surprise that the industry's noise, vibration, and harshness challenge in brake pad development is considerably more impressive in terms of the Porsche brake system. Comprised solely of exceptional components that can withstand repeated heating and cooling under intense and ever-changing conditions, the Porsche brake system is more than capable, boasting 4 times the stopping power needed to halt the power put out by any Porsche engine. We always take our customers' safety and interests very seriously. So if you are experiencing brake noise, our professionals at Porsche are more than happy to determine whether it is a maintenance issue or a natural occurrence. Porsche was built on the promise of delivering uncompromised safety and performance. We stood by this ideology when we revealed Porsche #1 to the world back in 1948. And we stand by it still. Today, Porsche. There is no substitute.